St Albans City railway station was built and opened on the 1st of October 1868 by the Midland Railway on its extension to London St Pancras. St Albans was famous for producing watercress, which was sent in 25-kilo lots from London to Manchester. The other station, St Albans Abbey, was built by the London North Western Railway in 1858. There was an original further station called London Road, built by the Hatfield and St Albans Railway in 1863 to connect with the Great North Railway. The station has 4 platforms, 2 in each direction, 1 fast and 1 slow. The main entrance, ticket office, multi-storey car park, taxi rank and bus connections are on Station Way, east of the station. There is a second exit to the west, to a small surface car park off Ridgmond Road and Victoria Street, located at the original entrance to the station. A larger surface car park to the east of the railway's line was gained permission in 2003 in connection with a large residential development. So let's try to get this day done quick as we see 700-108 depart with the 0711 Govia Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. The first fast working is 222008, working 1 Foxtrot 10 from London St Pancras International to Sheffield. Departing on the far side is 700-025, working the 0716 Govia Thameslink service from Gillingham to Luton. Next fast train through is 222022, working 1 Delta 11 from London St Pancras International to Nottingham. Trundling in on the far side to form the 0722 Govia Thameslink service to Sutton is 700-011. Flying around the corner is 222013 and 222009, working 1 Charlie 08 from Sheffield to London St Pancras International. Next to trundle around the corner is 700-149, working the 0727 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton via London St Pancras International. And going in the opposite direction is 700 115, working the 0725 Govia Thameslink service from Gatwick Airport to Bedford. Crossover working now, and as 700 012 arrives with the 0732 Govia Thameslink service from Luton to Rainham via London St Pancras International. 360 106 and 360 114 work 1 Yankee 05 from London St Pancras International to Corby. Next to depart running 10 minutes late is 700 051, heading to the carriage sidings after terminating with a Govia Thameslink service from Sutton. And flying around the corner is 360 115 and 360 117, working 1H09 from Corby to London St Pancras International. And when the camera focuses, here comes our train in the form of 700 146, working the 0741 Govia Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.